Hello, my name is Sian Ermias, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own digital 3D design. So first, you have to have an idea of what you want to build. Some examples can be a manufacturing part, such as robotics, or an electrical system to make phones, cameras, computers, and radios, or houses, parks, plumbing, and prosthetics, and many more. But you also have to have an accurate website to use. So most of these websites right here are verified to be used to make a 3D design. And we're going to be mentioning some of them, such as Vectary, SketchUp, Blender, Autodesk, Rhino 3D, and Maxim Cinema 4D. But the one we're going to be using today is Vectary. So we're going to go head to Vectary's website. So here we're going to be pressing New Project Studio 3.0. So some basic info about this website is that it's free, and all you have to do is just sign it, and then you can immediately get into it. It also welcomes you with this sign saying Welcome to Vectary, where it can tell you some videos to use on how to get started and some other basic info. And you can skip or take a tour to get to know more about this website. So what we're going to be doing first is I'm going to show you guys how to use one of their own templates that are given, and then you're going to try to make a copy of the exact same thing. So we're going to go to Library. And here we have some collections of metal, wood, glass, and many more. But underneath all of this, we have some templates. And the template we're going to try to copy today is this spaceship. So this spaceship template tells us the 3D assets that it's used, so we can use the same thing and access it the same way. But first, we're going to try to get the same background. So we're going to go with a dark blue. Doesn't have to look exactly the same, but somewhat similar. We're going to be pressing this satellite. So we're going to press this, and then it'll immediately come up right here, and it looks a little too big. So right here, there's this thing that says transformations, and it gives us a bunch of things that we can use to go fix this exact object. So we're going to go to size, and immediately it goes down, and as you can see, the scale is also going down, or if you make it bigger, it will go up. So we're going to try to make it a little smaller than that. So exactly like this would be good. You can also change the color if you don't think the color suits your preference, and you can just make the satellite like your own. And then we're going to add like a robot. So we're going to choose this one, and then it'll appear right here so you can see it. We're going to be changing the position. So we're going to move it to the side a little bit, and then we're going to make it a little smaller. And then we have it exactly looking like this. It doesn't look exactly as similar, but it looks somewhat similar. So we're going to be using it like this. So this is how the template would look like. But if you want to make your own, you can be, instead of using like a template, you can make your own. So we're going to go back to New Project. And exactly over here, we have some objects. We're going to press Box. And so we have like a normal box that's right here. Nothing with the position, rotation, some with the scale and the size. And we're going to be going again back to object, and we're going to get like a cone. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making the cone a little up. So we got somewhat similar to looking like a house structure, but it's not fully looking like a house. So you can add your own images or an image plane. But right here you can upload an image or import it. So you can add an image and then make it look more, it can have like windows or a door, just to look more of a house. And exactly after this is done, you can make something that looks like this. So this is what I made, and for a school project, and it's a logging equipment for deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. So I uploaded this picture right here, and if you press it, it tells you what you used and the positions or the rotations, the scale, size that I used to make it look that specific way. And then it's just basically a tool that's used for deforestation, and it's really useful, and it's 3D design, and you can upload it and export it and then show your classmates or peers how you made this really influential 3D design that could actually be really useful. And yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed and were able to learn a lot about 3D designing and how to make it your own. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.